Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to Mr. TECHFOX. Today, I'm going to show you how to change the desktop icon size in Windows. Adjusting the icon size can help you customize your desktop space for easier navigation or a more comfortable viewing experience. If this helps, please consider subscribing this channel. Alright. First of all, right-click on an empty area of your desktop. It will bring up a context menu with various options. Hover over the View option and you will see three choices for icon sizes: large, medium, and small. Choose your preferred icon size. Click on large icons to make them bigger. On the other hand, click on medium icons for the default size. Again, click on small icons if you want to be smaller. If you want a custom size of your icons, then hold down the Ctrl key on your keyboard and scroll the mouse wheel up to increase the size and scroll the mouse wheel down to decrease the icon size. This method lets you customize the size more precisely. And that's it. You can now adjust your desktop icon size anytime to make your workspace look and feel just the way you like it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to Mr. TECHFOX for more Windows tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.